Hi guys, and welcome to Chloe Cat. Today we are gonna be painting unicorns. So let's get started. First, you're gonna need a pencil, white paint, a unicorn stencil, tape, light blue paint, red paint, and golden paint, and a canvas. First, what I'm gonna do is take this light blue paint, open it up, get all these off, and squirt some. And then what I did was mixed the red and the white to make pink. And I squirted out some blue. And then you're gonna take the pink, a little bit of the pink, and you're gonna have your canvas. And you're gonna paint a pink stripe right here. And then this is what it looks like with all the pink done. Then we're gonna move on with the blue. Get some blue. Put a stripe in the middle of all the pinks. And this is what it looks like when the background's all done. Then you're gonna cut out your stencil, roll up a little piece of tape and stick it on the back, and you're gonna want this right in the middle. Then take your pencil and trace the outline. And then once you're done tracing it, you can now take it off. If you look closely, you'll see the pencil sketch. And then you're gonna need a really tiny little brush. You're gonna need a little bit of gold paint and a little bit of white paint. Then you're gonna take the gold paint. Then you're gonna do the horn, the nose, the hair, right here, the tail, and the hoofs. And this is what it looks like when the gold all done. And then you're gonna need a little bit bigger brush. We did a really small brush for the gold, but you're gonna need a little bit bigger brush for the white. And then you take a little bit of the white and do all the basic things, like in the body for the fur. And this is what it looks like with the white. And then you're gonna need a little tiny bit of black. And you're gonna need a really, really tiny brush. Gonna get a little bit of black. Gonna make an eyeball. Then, as all painters, gotta sign your first and your last name at the bottom. And this is what it looks like once it's all done. Chloe, unicorn, sparkles. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up a like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye, guys.